In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete/remove admin member from ClickUp Workspace. We'll walk through the exact path inside ClickUp to remove an admin from your workspace, and I'll share a few tips so you know what to expect along the way. Before we begin, remember that only people with the right permissions can remove other admins. If you don't have permission to manage users, you won't see the options we're about to use. It's also a good idea to confirm you're working in the correct workspace so you don't make changes in the wrong place. Start by opening your ClickUp account. This can be in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you normally use. Once ClickUp loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile avatar. That profile button is the hub for your personal settings and workspace tools, and it's where you'll find access to user management. Click on your profile to open the menu. In that menu, select Manage Users. This brings up the list of people who currently have access to the workspace, along with their roles and status. The Manage Users view is where you can see who is an admin, who is a member, and who may be a guest, making it the right place to take action. Now, carefully identify the admin member you wish to remove. Take a moment to verify it's the correct person by checking their name, email, or role tag. Removing an admin will immediately revoke their access to the workspace, so it's important to be certain you've selected the right individual. When you've found the correct admin, move to the right side of their row and click the three dots. This opens the action menu for that user. From the options that appear, click Remove. Depending on your workspace configuration, you may see an on-screen prompt to review or confirm the action. Read it closely so you understand the impact on access, and proceed as appropriate for your organization's policies. Once removed, that person will no longer be able to open your workspace or interact with its tasks and spaces. If you don't see the remove option, it may mean you lack the necessary permissions, or the workspace has restrictions, such as not allowing removal of the last owner level account. In that case, check with a higher level admin or owner to continue. And that's it. You opened your ClickUp account, clicked your profile, chose Manage Users, identified the admin, and used the three dots to remove them. Follow these steps anytime you need to clean up workspace access and keep your team roster accurate and secure.